You sit down to work, but your brain feels like a crowded room, emails tugging at your sleeve, notifications pinging, half-formed thoughts buzzing in the background. You try to focus, but you're managing mental traffic, not creating. This isn't a focus issue, it's a clutter issue. Your mind's workspace is already full before you even begin the real work. Trying to focus through that clutter is like trying to hold a conversation in a loud bar. Stick around, and I'll show you a 3-minute protocol to flush that mental noise and create a clean, quiet canvas for deep work. Let's clear the room. The clutter tax, your brain's prefrontal cortex, your executive center, has limited processing bandwidth. It's the manager of your mental workspace. Every unresolved task, nagging reminder, and open loop occupies a desk in that space, demanding a small slice of attention. This is the clutter tax. Before you write a single word or write a single line of code, you're already paying a cognitive fee to dozens of invisible tenants. This drains the mental energy you need for deep, linear thinking. You feel busy, but produce little. You can't just ignore the clutter. It has a persistent, low-volume alarm. You must formally evict it. The flush mechanism, trying to power through the noise, strengthens it. You're giving the clutter your focus, which is the very resource it's stealing. The solution is a structured offload, a systematic move of everything from your mind's volatile working memory to an external, trusted system. This works on the principle of cognitive closure. Your brain clings to open loops because it fears forgetting something important. When you provide a concrete, reliable capture point, the brain can release its grip. The alarm silences, but a random to-do list isn't enough. The clutter is mixed. Tasks, ideas, worries. You need a sorting filter that moves each type to the right place, or it just gets recluttered. The sorting filter. Effective mental flushing requires a triage system. You need 3 distinct buckets, one for actions, one for future ideas, and one for pure emotional noise. This allows your brain to categorize and release in one motion. The first bucket is a capture log, a simple list of every to-do tugging at you. The second is an idea parking lot, a place for creative sparks with no immediate home. The third is a worry dump, a space for anxieties that need acknowledgement, not solutions. This 3-part sort completes the open loops, but to make it stick, you need a ritual that marks the transition from cluttered to clear. Solution: the 3-minute Cortical Quiet Protocol. Step 1, the total download, 90 seconds. Open a blank document or take a notebook. Set a timer for 90 seconds. Your only task is to download every single thing in your mental workspace. Don't write sentences. Use bullet points. Tasks, ideas, worries, random thoughts. Dump them all. No editing, no organizing. Just a brain hemorrhage onto the page. Time stops when the timer does. Step 2, the triple sort. 60 seconds. Now take your raw list. Draw 3 columns. Do, park, dump. Sort each bullet point. Do, anything that is a simple concrete action. Email client, buy groceries. Park, any creative idea, project thought, or maybe later item. Video idea about X, research Y. Dump, any anxiety, complaint, or unresolved emotion. Worried about meeting, annoyed at Z. Move each item to its column. This is the cognitive sort. Step 3, the ritual closure. 30 seconds. Close the document or notebook. Physically stand up. Take 3 slow, deep breaths. As you exhale, say internally, "Workspace cleared," then sit back down. This physical ritual signals the transition. Your mental desk is now clean. The only thing on it is the work you choose to place there. Here is what to do right now. Before your next work session, run the full 3-minute protocol. Do the download, the sort, and the ritual closure. Comment below, is your pre-work mental clutter mostly tasks, ideas, or worries? If this flush gave you a quiet canvas, hit like. It tells the algorithm this helps creators focus.
Subscribe for weekly protocols.